Hi children, today we are going to learn letters, sounds, recap numbers, counting shapes and then strokes. Okay children, now we are going to learn letter D and sound of the letter D. What is this? Letter D. What is this? Letter D. What is the sound of this letter D? D. 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 What is the sound of this letter D? D. Shall we read these words? Drum. 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 Dog. 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 Duck. 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 Dolphin. 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 What is this? Letter D. The sound of this letter D. D. Drum. Dog. Duck. Dolphin. Next. What is this? Letter F. What is this? Letter F. The sound of this letter F. What is this? What is this? Shall we read these words? Flower. 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 Fish. 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 Fence. 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 Frog. 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 What is this letter? Letter F. What is the sound of this letter? F. Flower. Fish. Fence. Frog. Next. Letter G. What is this? Letter G. What is the sound of this letter? G. 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 What is the sound of this letter G? G. Shall we read these words? Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Giraffe. Giraffe. Gas. Gas. Glass. Glass. Grass. Grass. Gate. Gate. What is this letter? Letter G. What is the sound of this letter G? G. Grasshopper, glass, gas, giraffe, grass, gate. Next. What is this letter children? Letter X. What is this letter? Letter X. What is the sound of this letter X? X. X. What is the sound of this letter X? X. Shall we read these four words? Xylophone. Xylophone. Xmas. Xmas. X-ray. X-ray. What is this letter? Letter X. What is the sound of this letter? X. Xylophone. Xmas. X-ray. Next, let us move on to slanting line. What is this? Slanting line. Shall we learn how to write slanting line? Okay children, this is left slanting line. What is this? Left slanting line. Okay. It starts from the first. It starts from the first and ends in third line. It starts from the first and ends in third line. Slanting we have to write. It starts from the first and ends in third line. Kindly practice at home children. It starts from the first and ends in third line. Okay. Now you know how to write. Yes? Now we are going to learn right slanting line. Shall we learn how to write? It starts from the first and ends in third line. The same way you have to write, but in right side you have to write. It starts from the first and ends in third line. This is right slanting line. It starts from the first and ends in third line. Children, kindly practice at home. Okay. Now let us move on to next one. What is this? Numbers, right? What is this? Numbers. Shall we recall? Okay. 1. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shall we recall again? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Clap your hands, children. Are you able to recall these numbers? Okay. Now let us move on to counting. Shall we recall counting, children? Okay. What is this? Number 1. How many object is there? 1. Shall we count this butterfly? 1, 2. How many? 2. Now count the flower. 1, 2, 3. How many flowers are there? 3. How many strawberries are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many strawberries? 4. Now we are going to count the stars, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars? 5 stars. Now let us going to count the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. How many flowers are there? 6 flowers. Now we are going to count the monkeys. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many monkeys? 7 monkeys. Now what is this? Fruit, right? Do you like fruit? I too like fruit. Shall we count how many fruits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fruits are there? 8. How many trees are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many trees? 9 trees. Okay, children. Now we are going to count the candles. Shall we count along with me? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many candles? 10 candles. Okay, children, clap yourself. I hope you recall counting. Now, let us move on to shape. What is this shape, children? What is this shape? Circle. What is this shape? Circle. Circle have no sides, no corner. Right? Circle any sides here? Any corner here? No. Yes. Circle have no sides, no corner. Can you able to see what are these? These are circle shape objects. Right. What is this? Ball, button, orange. What is this, children? Pizza, right? It is an unhealthy food. Yes. What is this? Orange. It is a healthy food. We should eat fruits and vegetables, right? What is this? Donut. Yes, it is also unhealthy. These are the objects which in circle shape. Okay. Now today we are recall counting numbers, letters and its sounds. Yes. Okay. I hope you all are enjoyed this session. We will meet you in the next session, children. Stay safe, stay healthy, be happy. Thank you. Bye-bye.